Hey there, Facebook people. We are going to learn about the proper hand placement today. I'm Carrie with the Yoga Farm. Tonight we are at Borton Park getting ready for our class in Kingsport. So a lot of times when we're doing yoga, our placement goes into our wrists, and that's really not very helpful, and it can cause lots of pain. So what we want to talk about is where the placement should be in our hands. So when looking at our hands, we want most of our weight to run through our thumb, the pad of the thumb, and the pads of the fingers, and then into the fingers. We don't want to press our weight into the back of the wrists. So ideally, when in poses where you are on your hands and knees or using your hands as your base, there's two ways you can, or two ways that I know of that are good to think about pushing that weight forward. So by grounding your hands, you can rotate the elbows outward, which really does push the weight up into the fingers a lot more and to the thumbs. If that's uncomfortable, you can think about just shifting your weight forward, and it again brings the weight, you're not lifting the wrists at all, it's just bringing the weight off the back of the wrist so that we're not putting pressure into the wrist, especially when we tuck to come to down dog or any type of inversion. We don't want to put that extra pressure. So think about shifting the weight forward into the fronts of the hands. Thank you so much, and we will see you next time.